One of the most important life lessons you will learn in your life is that time is the most precious commodity you have. Every second that passes is a second you will never get back. The days turn into months, the months into years, and before you know, everything has changed. The people you love, the opportunities you had, the dreams you put off, gone. Like whispers in the wind. You can't get one single second back to play again. Live every moment like it matters. You're gonna blink your eyes and you're gonna be 30 years away from your high school. We waste time without realizing it. We tell ourselves we'll start tomorrow. We'll call that friend next week. We'll chase our dreams when we have more time. We'll do the trip when we have more money, when stars align. But the truth is, time doesn't wait. It doesn't pause for us to be ready. It keeps moving. Whether we use it wisely or not, the best moments in life aren't the big achievements, the money, or the things we own. It's the late night talks, the spontaneous road trips, the hugs that last just a little longer. These are the moments that truly matter, but we often don't see their value until they become memories. What if today was your last chance to say I love you, to chase the dream, to live fully without fear? Don't wait for life to remind you that time is precious. Make today count, right now, because the clock never stops. And neither should you. The past is gone, the future isn't promised, but this moment is yours. Make it worth remembering. One day, all we'll have are the memories, the moments we choose to live, the love we gave, the time we didn't take for granted. So hold on a little longer when you hug somebody. Laugh a little louder. Chase the dream you've been afraid to chase. Because in the end, it won't be the years that matter, but the moments that took your breath away. If this video spoke to you, take a second to share it with someone who needs to hear it. Time is precious. Don't waste it.